Okay, in this tutorial, I'm just going to go briefly into commenting. We already talked about one type of comments, which is block commenting, right? And block comments start with /*, and then everything from that point on is going to be ignored by the compiler until it hits a */, right, or an */. So that's block commenting, useful for headers, useful for long comments within the code. Sometimes, however, it's useful just to have a single line comment, right? A single line comment. So for instance, let's say before this x equals x minus 2, I'm going to write why I'm subtracting 2, right? Subtract 2 to eliminate the extra 2 marbles, right? Okay, so this is actually a comment just for that one line, and it's saying, it's explaining what this next line is going to be. So a // says, from this point on, ignore the complete rest of the line. That's all it does. Now, I could have taken this line, and I could have put it right on this line directly. You know, subtract 2 to avoid the 2 extra marbles, or whatever it is. So what happens on this line? The compiler comes, it compiles this, right? And then it sees the // and it says, okay, I'm going to ignore everything all the way through the end of that line. So that's a single line comment. There's also documentation commenting, which is a /**, but I'm not going to talk about that for now. I think it's useful for you to understand block comments, and it's useful for you to understand single line comments. Single line comments are also useful when you have problems in your code and you want to just comment out certain areas of your code. So for instance, let's say I didn't want this print line to print anymore, but maybe in the future I'm thinking, oh, I think I might need it to print in the future. So I might say, for now, let's just not print there, right? So I'll put a // there, and the compiler says, okay, I'm ignoring this line. So for instance, if I ran this code now, right, I would just get x is 6 because it's just printed this. This one's commented out. And then later on I can say, oh yeah, I need this line back. I can delete my comment, my single line comment, and run it. And then I have both of them in there as normal. So again, for now, 2 types of comments, block comments and single line comments, which start with //, right? You know, use x to hold number of marbles. Okay.